We're going to do some Dutch oven cooking today. The particular Dutch oven I've got here is a number 7 Cauldron. You'll see that we've got legs on the bottom that can actually be used to set down, like if we were to have a platform on the ground to set this on it, or it can actually be suspended and hung over the fire itself. The inside of our Dutch oven. After we get our fire going, we want to get it baked down to coals, because you don't cook with a Dutch oven on a big fire like this. You actually want to get it down to coals. If you're going to suspend it over out here, it's possible to cook with the Dutch oven over a flame itself, but we want to get that fire burnt down to where we've got coals. We've got ourselves a spot out here in the middle of the fire cleared out. Notice here we move the fire to either side, have our coals right up and through the middle. We're going to need ourselves, when we're handling a Dutch oven, we need to have ourselves a hook that we can actually hook our Dutch oven, set it in and out. This one just doubles as a poker and as a hook, and I always leave it sitting fairly close. And we're going to start with our Dutch oven. We need a spoon or something to stir with. We're going to start with some water. What we're actually going to make is a type of a stew. Brought our water out in an old milk jug. We've got some rabbit that we butchered yesterday. It's cut into 6 different pieces, the 2 hindquarters, the 2 hind legs, 2 front legs, and the back split into 2 different pieces. And we're going to set that into our Dutch oven there. Set our lid. We're going to use our hook to actually set that into the coals right there. Now a Dutch oven heats from all directions, all the way around the oven itself. That's why we've got the fire on both sides, coals right up here in the middle. Now when we're cooking something with the Dutch oven, we need to remember that things cook in stages. The meat itself is going to take the longest to cook, so we put that in there and get that cooking, let it cook for at least an hour, and then we're going to start adding vegetables to it. Lift the lid off. Oh, there we got a good boil going. Set our lid off to the side there. Going pretty good. Now as this water boils down, we'll have to add a little bit more water here and there to make sure that it doesn't dry out completely. Add some more water. We'll give it the old flavor test here. A little bland, so we can fix that. Take the blandness right out of that. A little bit of garlic salt, black pepper. Season that thing up a little bit here. Everything tastes better with garlic. And some black pepper. Get the bigger hole open on that thing. There, put the pepper in that thing. At this point, we're going to start adding some veggies to this. Got here some potatoes, carrots, onions, and celery. We cheated and cut it up inside, so add that right to there. Put onion and celery. Look around a little bit. Take our hook. Out here to grab our lid, and we'll set that lid back down on there. Like that. Make sure we keep those coals burning well all the way around it, because as I said before, that Dutch oven cooks all the way around the Dutch oven, not just from the bottom up, but all throughout. There, we're boiling away. Set the lid off to the side. Test the firmness of our potatoes and everything else like that. See if those are, oh yeah, those are softening right up. That's done. Like a gravy mix to put into it. Got ourselves some flour there. Make sure that's fairly clean because I'm going to reach in there and dip out some of that broth. A whole bunch of that broth there. Mix our flour into there. Got a good stirring up. Got to make sure you mash this against the side of your cup or you're going to end up with it really lumpy. Go ahead and pour that into there. Let's get it stirred in real good. Gives us a little bit of substance. That meat's just falling right off the bone. There's a rabbit bone. Perfect. Rabbit's nice and tender once you cook it long enough. If you just cook it for an hour or so, it's going to be tough. If you let it slow simmer, nice and tender. Put the lid back on that, and we're going to get that Dutch oven lifted out of the fire there. And there we have it. Okay, let's have us a look here. Yowza. Handle it with tongs or something. That thing is hot. Notice we sat it down on a piece of wood before we set it on your wife's tablecloth. That's unforgivable. Look at that. Okay. Get us a bowl and serve some of that in there. A lot of those bones will be settled right down in the bottom. Some potatoes and some carrots in there. There we go.